picking up some food, some seeds. We could talk to him. Hey, can you hear us? What you doing? Eating some food? That's Sharon's food, okay? Sharon's food. Don't touch Sharon's food. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. There you are. Shit, quick, huh? You see, it's pretty. Very pretty. There's one over there. Oops. Do you think those things are delicious? I'm just kidding. That's way too small. Maybe for the kitties. There's a pigeon out there. I guess he or dove. I guess he chased them out. Get some food, bro. Share the food. Let's see if we can zoom in his face. Turn around. Turn around. There's another one. He wants to eat, but this one stands on the way, so they can't eat. It's funny. And then look, there's the pigeons out there. Look, they're on this fence. Let's zoom to this one's face. What's up, Bobo? Look, there's one on the top. This one's eating like super hard. Look at him. He's gonna eat everything. Leave some food. Leave some food. Look, we can go close to the screw where the house is pretty much holding on to. I want to catch those little guys, and there are like 5 of them already, like 5 or 6. Let's see, 2, 3. So there's 3. I mean, sorry, 2, 3, 4. Which one? Let's zoom on this one. I think this one's more interesting. Yeah, he went inside the rock. There's another one right over here. Heh, now the pigeons occupy the house, so the little birds cannot get any food. Go away, go away. But you can't really go and scare the pigeons because that's gonna scare everybody. That's it, 5 minutes. Let's zoom super high as much as we can at this one. Right over there, the one that's working. And we're gonna say bye. That's it. Pretty cool for a goodbye, huh? We got a pretty close picture. It's like right next to us.